Are you looking for tips for building a great website, but everything that you come across is all about these technical things and these step-by-step processes to actually build it? You just want to know, hey, how do I actually have a good website? Great. In this video, we're just going to break down some 7 non-technical tips on what it takes to build a great website for your small business. So you're going to be able to do this even if you're not a coder, not a web developer, any of that. You just want to make sure as you're building your website that you're putting together something that works well and is good and is going to attract customers, because that's what it's all about, right? In this video, we're going to break that down. Let's get started. All right, first up, keep it simple. Your website is your online storefront. It is your digital business card, right? So you want it to be clean and welcoming. Imagine walking into a store with everything thrown everywhere. Hard to find what you need, right? Well, with the same goes for your website. A simple, clean design makes it easy for your customers to find what they're looking for. For example, if you run a bakery, have a clear section on your menu, your location, how to order. No need for fancy animations or a million colors. Just make it easy and pleasant to navigate. All right, next, make sure your website loves phones as much as we do. Most people browse on their phones more than ever before. So if your site doesn't look good on a small screen, visitors might say bye before they even say hi. If you are looking for a new website, click on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month for simple professional website for your small business. Now, imagine you're hanging out with friends and someone mentions craving cupcakes. You search for a local bakery on your phone. If the website you find is hard to read or navigate on your phone, you're likely to give up and go to a different bakery. Don't let that be your website. Okay, tip 3, focus on speed. Speed is key. If your website takes forever to load, people are going to leave. It's like waiting in a long line, right, at a coffee shop. If it's too slow, you're just going to go elsewhere. You can use simple designs and compress your images to help your website load faster. Keeping your website speedy is like having a fast-moving line at your store. It keeps customers happy. Hey, guess what? Mighty Sites is super fast. You're not going to find a faster website platform than Mighty Sites. Give it a try. Tip number 4, be super clear about what you offer. It should be obvious within seconds what your business does. If you sell handmade candles, make that clear with images and text right on the homepage. Think about it like this. Someone walks into your shop or visits your website or calls your business, they should know immediately what it is you do and what's for sale and why your business is awesome. Tip 5, make it super easy to contact you. Whether it's your phone number, an email address, a contact form, don't make your customers search for it. Put it front and center. Imagine if someone wanted to ask you about custom candle scents but couldn't find how to contact you. That is a lost sale. Don't let that happen. All right, tip 6, use real photos of your products or services. People want to see what they're getting. Stock photos are okay, but they can be spotted from a mile away and might not represent what you actually offer. Use stock photos to get started. Mighty Sites has a 5 million library of stock photos you can just click on to add to your site, but then take the time to add some other photos down the road that are actually clear cut of your business. So if you're a bakery, show off your actual cupcakes and bread, adds a personal touch, and builds trust with your customers. Tip 7, last but not least, ask for feedback. Your website is for your customers, so get their input. It's invaluable. Maybe there's something you didn't think of or a way to make your site better. You can have a feedback form or simply ask customers in your store what they think about your website. It shows you care and you're always looking to improve. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, so it reaches more business owners. And there you have it, folks. 7 non-technical tips for building a great small business website. Remember, your website is your first impressions customers will have of your business, so make it count. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hey, we'll catch you in the next video because there's a few more things you need to learn to get it right and get more customers for your business. Until next time, wishing you mighty success.